Whoever thought of this, which intern producer, I know it's an intern, it's probably an intern, isn't it? You are an icon because I am genuinely so interested on how they will go about this. Hello and welcome back, NH fam. We are back with a very interesting show. I came across it on Twitter, and apparently there were rumors of it flying around beforehand, but I genuinely do not have any clue about this. It is a show where various K-pop fandoms are competing with each other. I just saw the trailer in passing, like just few shots, and all the major fandoms are there. So interesting. Honestly, I do want it to be like a kind of like a series that more fandoms end up coming. Do I want to be representing my fandom that is Two Moons on this show? Absolutely. From what I could see in the trailer initially, like they were like ripping apart packages, and I'm assuming there's going to be like quizzes, but it can't be fandom based quizzes, I assume. There was one where like there was like going against ticketing. I would fail in that. I live in India, man. Our tickets are really easy to get because we mostly have festivals, and even for concerts it's really easy to get them via Book My Show. When BTS comes, that will be a different story, but that's a different conversation to have. So I would definitely fail in something like that. But the show is called Fandom Stage, 10 out of 10. And now let's like see the trailer, I guess.
나이, 성별, 국적을 넘어
Okay, so they are Yeolge fandom. Yeolge, let me do my Korean. Yeol 10. Oh, this is interesting. So there is a My Day, that means one K band. Then is Monbebe Fan God, that is from the first gen group, that is God. Then Moa TXT, Shiny World or Shawol, is that how it's pronounced? From Shiny, and Carrot for 17, Once for Twice, VIP for Big Bang, EXO-L for EXO, and the only 5th gen group, which is Breeze for Rise. So this is interesting. No subs. I really do want to watch this show, and I wish I can react. If there are subs and I'll be able to find the show easily, you definitely can expect episodes of reactions of this show.
팬덤
Starship, 40 fans. So each group has, like each fandom has 4 participants, as you can see in the video
팬덤
also.
스테이지에서 여러분의 팬심을 직접 증명하게 됩니다.
Okay, see, this is that package thing that I was talking about. Basically shows how fast you open it. But in my opinion, it should not be fast. It should be really slow because, like, you know, when you're opening packages, like, you don't want to damage the thing fast. But I guess to each their own, right? I know the thing in Korea also, right? Like, albums are just on the street, like, and because they just want to get into the fan side. So people like me, I would take those. The thing is that so when I get a package, I open it with the utmost of care.
난 되게 이런 걸로.
See, that fan booking thing, I would fail in this miserably. Okay, the guy wearing the wig. Oh my god, dude. They're making them like kind of not train, but like, you know, do the same things as an idol, like the running on treadmills and practicing. Bro, I would fail because I tried gymming, and I tried singing while gymming because I listen to songs while gymming, right? I don't know, I'm just like, Jesus Christ, these idols are really like, their lungs are so good. I could never, you know what? I would love to represent my fandom. Would I fail? Absolutely. Would I be a disgrace? Absolutely.
우리는 우리만 이기면 된다.
I don't know if putting the camera thing is nice because as we know, that's more of a sasengi kind of thing. Because technically in concert, I don't know, maybe each concert has their own set of rules. Mostly what I've seen is you're not allowed those big lenses in the concert. So yeah, I can though because I work behind the scenes. So I would be good in this one. Oh, what is okay? Like there are cards. I can see the word carrot written on it.
빠르게 더 빨리 얼마 안 남았어.
질자신은 없음.
Absolute Cinema. When is it airing? It is airing from 29th July. I'm sad. Wave, you have good shows, like because I'm watching Stand By Me also, right? So it's on Wave only. This is so interesting. I love this concept. Where can I pitch for you? I volunteer. I volunteer as tribute for Two Moons. I know stays there'll be a lot, so Two Moons, and I'm also VV, so that would be interesting. What are the key things of being a fan in K-pop? Definitely, I would say yes, the album culture, the buying culture. there could be one where like it works more for India, like trying to get the cheapest priced on merchandise and trying to get the rarest, like try to find the rarest thing and like buy it. Like for Moas, it's like that Subin PC, right? The blue hair Subin. So that is one thing I've really experienced as a fandom, because this is just like a preview, right? What can be there is my thing. Oh, you know what? No. I'm so like giggly about this because the idea of this is so amazing for me. I want at least like one of like at least the idols coming as a feature, or idols reacting to this, because this would be hilarious. Honestly, wait, who are the fandoms? I'm surprised they've not put like stay, but I don't blame them. Is because there are already 2 JYP groups, right? Oh, they've not put Blinks. Damn. And wait, they've not put BTS. Oh shit, man. Have they put any of the hype groups? Wait, Maya, TXT is there. Good thing is that we have representation from all spheres, because I feel like each generation has their own like strongest suits, right? You know what? Technically, yeah, Monbebe, like Starship is not from the big 4, so I'll give you that. That is true. But I want to see the ratio of what are the girls to the boys. Don't tell me. There's only one girl group representation. My dudes, how do y'all fumble that out? There should have been like equal representation, man. Like I can give you off the top. First of all, Blinks. I'm surprised that you've not put that. Then from the hype groups, you can put like Lesser of Him, I guess. And aespa. Then like from JYP, like technically JYP sent in once, right? Like not sent in, but JYP represented once. How can you only put one girl group representation, man? Like how the Kingdom series is there, like the Road to Kingdom, like. So I need like a Fandom B stage or something where like smaller groups are there. That will be all from us today, and do like, share and subscribe to the Ramstali YouTube channel, and we'll see you all next time.